What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? Today we are going to be taking apart my stock headlights, painting them, putting a sea light in there. You know, everybody does it. But later I'm gonna go head up to Jersey to buy another set of headlights, because those are the ones that I'm gonna get done, retrofit and all that. So, you know, this setup that I'm doing right now is just temporary, because I bought the sea light from Morimoto and I don't want them no more. You know, I'm not going with the other headlights. I'm not gonna put those on, so I just have them laying around. So I'm gonna just put them on these while I get the other headlights done with another type of sea light. So yeah, now let me take all this apart, get the headlights out, and go home so we can put them in the oven. I'll catch you guys at the house, because you guys already know how to take the headlights off. So, and if you don't, look, I'm gonna show you. So to take the headlights, you gotta take the bumper off. So you gotta take this off. You know, all this that's up here. Gotta remove this one from right here. Whatever you have, if you have the cover under the bumper, you gotta take that off so you can be able to take the bumper off. So then you take this off, then you take this off, and then I believe there's a plastic. I'll show you when I take the bumper off right now. And 1, 2, 3. So you gotta take these two off. Let me see. And this one right here. And this one. So you take this plastic off, then it should come off. You do need to remove, let me see, this little clip from right there to be able to take it off after you take all the bolts off. So before we put them in the oven, we gotta take off this screw right there. 1, 2, and there's more. There's another one right here. This one, this one, this one. These metal thingies. And let me see. And I think that should be it. Oh, and these rubber seals on both of them. For the newer headlights, sometimes you don't need to put them in the oven. You can just take them apart, you know, open the clips and pull them apart. A little bit of strength is required, but you can get it. Unless if you want to put it in the oven and do what you gotta do. A ver si la misión no falla. So I did take this one apart with my hands. I didn't put it in the oven or any of that. I was just pulling it apart and breaking the glue with this, and then when I had enough space to fit my hand in there, I just pried it open. And I'm just taking all this glue off. But yeah, I'm gonna head to the Bronx right now and finish this at my mom's house. So see you guys over there. All right, guys, there's been a change of plans. I'm here in the Bronx now. I just dropped my girl off at the college and stuff. So I'm waiting for my boy now. He lives around here. Brian, the one with the black TL. You guys seen him in my videos already, so I'm gonna meet up with him in a few. He's on his way already, and we're gonna get that done here. You know, I don't feel like driving like 20 minutes to my mom's crib, then have to come back here like in 2-3 hours. You know, painting the lights and all that takes time, so yeah, I'm gonna just wait for my boy and get that done here. So, you know, I'm right here in front of my girl's school, so for when she comes out. So to take this off, you need to take a screw right there, another screw right here, and another one right there. Then you'll be able to pop it out of place. Yeah, you just need to wiggle it out and it'll come out. You see, it comes right out. Then you gotta take the covers off. To take the corner light off, you gotta remove that one, that clip, and that one. You'll be able to get it out. And on this one, I think you should start from this one right here. You push it to the back and push it out. The bottom one, where is it? I don't know, where's that? Oh, it's down here. Same thing for all of them. Then these, you close them together. I think there's another, oh, it's right here. See, there's two. You can leave these two as the last, so, you know, and you just pull it out. Already got these painted. Little side markers. So now to paint this. Got them drying right here now. Just started spraying this one. It's like 2 coats already, so let it dry. Another one and another one and another one. So now I'm gonna put them back together. I did leave that part there chrome, just so it can stand out a little bit more. You know, if I paint it, all they're gonna see white is this right here, the clear part. But I want this to stand out more, the backing part, so it can look bigger. All right, guys, so we're back at the garage now. So here are the lights. I do have to clean them because they have my fingerprints on them, but so for the Bluetooth, you gotta look for the 12 volt, which is this one. This is the one that you connect to the battery. I think you gotta cut it and whatever. I don't know. Still gotta see how I do this. I don't know how to deal with electricity, so it comes with, you know, you go for that, then you go to channel 1, which is the first one, this one right here. My kit, I don't know if all years are the same, but mine comes with a little adapter to connect these two to the resistor. All right, guys, everything back together now. Here are the lights. They are pretty bright. So I put both negative for the turn signals right here, both. I connect. These are the orange, the black ones that are next to the orange ones. I put both right here, both black ones. I put the Bluetooth box right there, zip tie it there because I don't have the cover. And you know, zip tie it right there. Zip tie it back here. You can't see it, you know, only if you look pretty close into it, but if not, you can't see it. But yep. Here she is, guys. Looks beautiful. Yep. And for this, the wires, I'm gonna need to move them from there, as you can see them, and it annoys me, so I'm gonna have to see how I can hide them. I have another grill. I don't know if with the other grill, because the holes are smaller, I don't know if you'll still be able to see them like you can see them right now. This is pretty open right there with those holes, because they're big, so I don't know if with the other grill I can see it. But yeah, but right now, so you can see the zip tie right there and the cables. So yeah, I definitely need to remove this bumper and put them somewhere else. But for the lights, beautiful. They do have a few little nice settings. These are the strobes. Yep. I don't know. I wish they can change colors. You know, not only one color, but it's alright. There's another one, which is this one. You see here they have the fade, where it turns off slowly. I can control the speed and all that. You see it turns on and off. Does look good. And here we have the white. Bright. That is bright. I have the tone all the way up to get that white, so I can put any color I want. But white is what we're going to use to be driving. Now we have these. A few seconds. That's why I don't like it. It takes a few seconds to go back to white, but what can I do? Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share it, do whatever you can. You know, I still gotta figure out where I'm gonna put all that at, all the wires at, but that will do it for now. I'll do that another day. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.